Hi students, if you're new to my channel, I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. I will be uploading videos regularly on my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe to my channel, Divyas Maths, and do like, comment and share the videos with your friends. Today, we will continue solving exercise 4.1 word problems from the chapter Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. If you have missed watching my previous videos, I will put all the links in the description box below or I will link it here. So let's get started. So the fifth problem, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 45. So we need to find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. Okay. So let us solve the question. So we don't know the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. So let us assume cost of each pencil is X and cost of each pen is Y. Now let us form the first equation. So 5 pencils is nothing but each pencil cost rupees X, right? So 5 pencils cost 5 into X. Okay, and is plus. So each pen cost Y and 7 pens cost us 7Y. Okay, so 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost us rupees 50. Okay, so this will be our equation number 1. Again see here, each pencil cost us X, right? So 7 pencils cost us 7X and is plus each pen cost us Y and 5 pens cost us 5Y. So these both together cost us rupees 46. Okay. So this will be our equation number 2. If they ask the same problem for 2 marks, we can simplify from here. Okay. So you can multiply the equation 1 with 7 and you can multiply equation 2 with 5. Okay. So this will be, we will multiply equation 1 with 7 and we will multiply equation 1 with 5. Okay. So equation 1 becomes 35x plus 49y is equals to 350. So equation 2 becomes 35x plus 25y is equals to 230. Okay. Now we will subtract them. So these both will get cancelled. So here you will get 24y is equals to 120. Okay. So from here this will be 24 ones are and 24 fives are. Okay. You will get y is equals to 5. Okay. You will get y is equals to 5. Now let us substitute y is equals to 5 in equation number 2. So 35x plus 25 into 5 is equals to 230. So this will be 35x is equals to 230 minus 25 5s is 125. Okay. So which is 35x is equals to 230 minus 125 is 105. So 35 ones and 35 threes are 105. You will get x is equals to 3. Okay. So we have got x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5. The cost of each pencil is 3 and cost of each pen is 5 rupees. Okay. So this is how you will do if they ask you for 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay. But here we need to solve them graphically. So let us take the points and draw the graph. Okay. So this is our first equation. From here, if you want y value, we can take 50 minus 5x divided by 7. Okay. So this is our second equation. From here, if you want y value, we can take 46 minus 7x divided by 5. Okay. Now let us take the points and draw the graph. So let us take x is equals to 3. So if x is equals to 3, if x is equals to 3, y will be 50 minus 5 3s is 15 by 7. You will get 35 by 7, which is 7 1s are 7 5s are. So you will get 5. So the points are 3 and 5. See here, we need to take the points such a way it should be divisible by 7. Okay. So let us take x is equals to 10. If you take x is equals to 10, then y will be 50 minus 5. 5 into 10 is 50 by 7, which is 0. Okay. So the points are 10 and 0. Okay. Now let us do for the next equation. So let us take the points for the next equation. If we take x is equals to 3. So if x is equals to 3, then y will be 46 minus 7 3s is 21 by 5. 46 minus 21 is 25. 25 by 5. Okay, which is 5. So you will get y is equals to 5. So the points are 3 and 5. Okay. So let us take x is equals to 8. So if we take x is equals to 8, so you will get y is equals to 46 minus 7 8 is 56 by 5, which is minus 10 by 5. You will get minus 2, which is minus 2. So you will get y is equals to minus 2. The points are 8 and minus 2. Now let us plot the graph. So for the first equation, the first point is 3 and 5. 3 on the x-axis, 5 on the y-axis, which is this one, and 10 and 0. 10 on the x-axis, 0 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay, now let us join them. Okay, and for the second equation, the first point is 3 and 5. 3 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis, which is the same point, this one, and 8 and minus 2. 8 on the x-axis, minus 2 on the y-axis, which is here. Let us join these 2 points. So this is the intersection point. So from the graph we can say that these 2 lines are intersecting at 3 and 5. Okay, which is x and y. So therefore we can say that the cost of one pencil, that is x, is equals to 3 rupees, and cost of one pen, that is y, is equals to 5 rupees. Okay, clear? So that is what we have got. Cost of one pencil, which is x is equals to 3, and cost of one pen, y, is equals to 5 rupees. Okay. Let us see the next question. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meters. If the length is 4 meters more than its width, find the dimensions of the garden. Okay. So, let us take the dimensions of the garden be L and B. Let the dimensions of the garden be L and B. Okay. So, we know that perimeter of a rectangle, is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so if we want to find half the perimeter of a rectangular garden, half the perimeter of a rectangle will be half into 2 into L plus B. Okay, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you will have only L plus B. So L plus B is equals to half the perimeter of a rectangle is nothing but 36 meters. Yes. So is equals to 36. So this is our equation number 1. Okay. So again see the question. If the length is nothing but L is equals to 4 more than its width. 4 more than is plus its width is B. Okay. So from here I will send B to LHS. It becomes L minus B is equals to 4. Okay. So this is our equation number 2. Okay. So if they ask the same question for 2 marks, so how will you do this? So we have got the two equations, right? So which is L plus B is equals to 36 and L minus B is equals to 4. Okay, so from here B and B will get cancelled. So you will get 2L is equals to 40. So 2 ones, 2 20s are. You will get L is equals to 20. Okay, length is equals to 20. Now let us substitute length in equation number 1. So you will get 20 plus B is equals to 36. So B is equals to 36 minus 20, which is 16. So you will get B is equals to 16. Okay. If they ask you for 2 marks, you will do in this way. Okay. So if they ask you for 4 marks or 8 marks, or if they ask you to solve it graphically, you will take the points and draw the graph for the same problem. Okay. Now let us take the points and draw the graph. Okay. So let us take the points. So this is the first equation. So let us take L is equals to 10. If you take L is equals to 10, this will be 36 minus 10. You will get 26. Okay. So the points will be 10 and 26. Okay. So let us take L is equals to 16. If you take L is equals to 16, this will be 36 minus 16 is 20. Okay. So this will be 16 and 20. Okay. So if you take L is equals to 20. So this will be 20. If you take L is equals to 20, 36 minus 20 is 16. So the points are 20 and 16. Okay. Now let us do for the next equation. If you take L is equals to 10. If you take L is equals to 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay. The points will be 10 and 6. Okay. So if you take L is equals to 16, you will get 16 minus 4, which is 12. Okay. The points are 16 and 12. Okay. And if L is 20, if L is equals to 20, you will get 20 minus 4 is 16. Okay. So the points are 20 and 16. Now let us draw the graph. So from the first equation, the first point is 10 and 26. 10 on the x-axis, 26 on the y-axis, which is this one. And 16 and 20. 16 on the x-axis, 20 on the y-axis, which is this one. and 20 and 16. 20 on the x-axis, 16 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay, now let us join these points. And now the first point from the second equation, which is 10 and 6. 10 on the x-axis, 6 on the y-axis, which is here. 16 and 12. 16 on the x-axis, 12 on the y-axis, which is this one. The next one is 20 and 16. 20 on the x-axis, 16 on the y-axis, which is here. Now let us join these points. So from the graph we can see that these two lines intersect at a point 20 and 16, which is L and B. So therefore we can say that dimensions of a rectangle, that is L is equals to 20 meters and breadth is equals to 16 meters. So that the same thing we have got here. Length is equals to 20 and breadth is equals to 16. Okay. So if they ask you for 2 marks, you can solve in this way. If they ask you for 4 or 8 marks, or if they ask you to solve graphically, you can solve in this way. Okay. So let us see the next question. We have a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of a pair so formed is intersecting lines, and also write two more linear equations so that one forms a pair of parallel lines and second one forms coincident lines with the given equation. Okay. With the help of the given linear equation, we need to form three linear equations. One for the intersecting line and one for the parallel line and one for the coincident line. Okay. So let us solve the question. So the given linear equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay. So this is the given linear equation. Okay. So with the help of this linear equation, we need to form three more linear equations. Okay. This is the general form of a pair of linear equations. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Okay. So from here, if we want to find the ratios, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So this condition is for the intersecting lines. And the next condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. And this condition is for the parallel lines. Yes. And the last condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. And this condition is for the coincident lines. Yes. Now let us find required linear equation for the intersecting line. So for intersecting lines, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Right? So what is the equation? It is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Okay. So you can take the second equation as 3x plus 5y minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay. So if you find the ratios for this, you will get 2 by 3 is not equals to 3 by 5. Okay. So it is satisfying the condition for the intersecting lines. Okay. Now let us write the linear equation for the parallel lines. So it should be a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So we can take it as 4x plus 6y minus 11 is equals to 0. Okay. Now if you find the ratios, you will get 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 and 3 by 6 is also 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and 8 by 11. It is not equals to c1 by c2. Okay. So it is also satisfying the condition for parallel lines. Now let us write the equation for coincident lines. Here the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Okay. So all the ratios must be equal. You can write any equations, but the ratio should be equal. Okay. We can write the equation as 6x plus 9y minus 24 is equals to 0. Okay. So if you find the ratios, you will get 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. Then 3 by 9 is also 1 by 3. And 8 by 24 is also 1 by 3. Okay. So you will get all the ratios are equal. So this equation is also satisfying the condition for coincident lines. Okay. So for this question, graph is not required. You just need to write the equations. Okay.